my head, no heat, no light to warm me up on this cold night. Days along without you, I'm passing, but the moments thinking about you. I've got your face fresh in my mind, but I can hide you. I wish you were right here, like next to me, oh, you, me, and I can say relaxing now. My favorite days are fantasy, but I can love you, not in time away, making precious love on not holding and squeezing and try till the morning light. But back to those at times where I pull it back to reality. Wrapped up in the same pit, trash, same insanity. When nothing really matters, and nobody really cares. It's been 3 years, my heart is screaming, but nobody hears. But still, I stand watch ever hate to beat them, but there's no ordinary nothing. We are one, you gave me power. It takes two to make a dream come true. So keep it real, and I'll be there for you forever. I promise, girl. It's just a matter of time.
Waiting, love, sitting, waiting, sitting, waiting, love, sitting, waiting. Listen, waiting for your love. Sitting, waiting for your love.
Okay.